Hello aspirants, welcome to College Dunia Exams. In this video, we will explain you how to download your SNAP 2025 result step by step. This guide will help you access your scorecard easily and ensure you don't miss any important step in your MBA admission journey. Let's begin with the important dates. The SNAP 2025 exam was conducted on 6th, 14th and 20th of December 2025 across multiple test centers in India. As per the expected schedule, the SNAP result 2025 is likely to be declared on 9th of January 2026, which is around 20 days after the last exam session. Candidates must note that the result will be available only on the official website snaptest.org. Your SNAP scorecard is a very important document. First, it shows your scaled score and percentile, which helps you understand how you performed compared to other candidates. Second, it is mandatory for shortlisting and admission rounds, including group exercise, personal interview, and written ability test, also known as GE PIVET. Lastly, the scorecard must be saved and printed for future reference and verification during the MBA admission process. The first step is to visit the official SNAP website. Open snaptest.org using a secure internet connection. Always make sure you are on the official website and avoid third-party portals to stay safe from scams or fake links. Once results are announced, look for the SNAP Result 2025 link on the homepage. A quick security tip. Always check that the URL clearly shows snaptest.org before entering any personal details. Next, log in using your SNAP credentials. Enter your SNAP ID and password, the same ones you used during registration. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it through your registered email or mobile number. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA for security verification before logging in successfully. After logging in, your SNAP scorecard will appear on the screen. It will display your personal details including name, SNAP ID, exam date, photograph, and signature. You will also see your section-wise marks, total scaled score, overall percentile, and qualifying status. Carefully check all the details to ensure there are no errors and discrepancy. Now comes the most important step, downloading your scorecard. Click on the download option and save the PDF immediately as the website may experience heavy traffic. Store the scorecard securely on your phone, laptop, and cloud storage like Google Drive. Also print 3 to 4 color copies on A4 size paper, as this will be required during GE PIVET rounds and admission processes. Here are a few important points you should not ignore. Always print your scorecard in a colored format on A4 size paper. Black and white prints may not be accepted. For identity verification, carry only original government issued IDs like Aadhaar, passport, or driving license. Stay alert against fraudulent agents or websites claiming guaranteed admission or score manipulation. All official websites will come only through Symbiosis International University channels and snaptest.org website. Once the result is out, the admission process begins. First is the shortlisting phase, where institutes shortlist candidates for GE PIVET based on SNAP percentile. Next, start preparing seriously for the group exercise, personal interview, and written ability test. Finally, keep checking the official SNAP website and institute portals regularly for admission-related updates. To summarize, the SNAP Result 2025 will be available on January 9, 2026 exclusively on the official website snaptest.org. Log in using your Snap ID and password to download your scorecard. Save digital copies and keep printed versions for future admission stages. Most importantly, follow only official announcements and avoid unofficial sources. All the best for your SNAP results and MBA journey. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to College Dunia Exams. For the latest MBA updates and exam guidance, visit our portal and leave a comment if you have any other queries.